Hello all and welcome to this channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about top 5 summer drinks that beat the scorching heat. As the scorching summer sun beats down, staying cool becomes a top priority. While seeking refuge in the shade or cranking up the AC are viable options, there's nothing quite like quenching your thirst with a refreshing beverage. But why settle for the ordinary when you can indulge in a variety of unique drinks specially crafted to combat the summer heat? From exotic concoctions to timeless classics with a twist, here's how to cope with summer heat with a selection of some delightful drinks. The drink number 1 is Watermelon Mint Blend. Nothing screams summer like the juicy sweetness of watermelon. Combine chunks of ripe watermelon with a handful of fresh mint leaves in a blender. Blend until it gets smooth. Then strain the mixture to remove any pulp. Serve over ice with a sprig of mint for a revitalizing drink that will keep you hydrated and cool throughout the day. The drink number 2 is Iced Turmeric Latte. Turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, takes center stage in this unique twist on the classic latte. Brew a strong cup of your favorite coffee or espresso and let it cool to room temperature. In a separate glass, mix coconut milk, a dash of turmeric powder, and a hint of honey for sweetness. Pour the cooled coffee over ice and top it with the turmeric infused. Not only does it taste heavenly, but it also offers a refreshing and healthy alternative to your regular iced latte. The drink number 3 is Cucumber Basil Spritz. Cool as a cucumber takes on a whole new meaning with this revitalizing spritzer. Thinly slice a cucumber and muddle a few slices with fresh basil leaves in a glass. Add ice cubes and a splash of elderflower syrup for sweetness. Top it off with sparkling water and a squeeze of lime juice for a fizzy drink that's both cooling and sophisticated. The drink number 3 is Hibiscus Tea with lemon and ginger. Hibiscus tea with its vibrant crimson hue and tangy flavor is the perfect base for a refreshing summer drink. Brew a pot of hibiscus tea and let it chill in the refrigerator. Once cold, add a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a few slices of ginger for a good taste. Serve over ice with a garnish of lemon or a sprig of mint for a cooling beverage that will energize your senses. The drink number 5 is Frozen Coconut Pineapple Margarita. Transport yourself to a tropical paradise with this indulgent frozen cocktail. In a blender, combine chunks of frozen pineapple, coconut milk, silver tequila, and a splash of lime juice. Blend until it gets smooth and creamy. Then pour into glasses rimmed with shredded coconut and coarse salt. Garnish with a wedge of pineapple or a slice of lime for a taste of summer in every sip. With these all unique recipes in your kitchen, you will be well equipped to tackle even the hottest of summer days. From the hydrating properties of watermelon to the invigorating flavors of hibiscus tea, there's something for everyone to enjoy. So beat the heat in style and savor the season with these refreshing beverages that are sure to keep you cool all summer long. Cheers to staying refreshed and revitalized. So this is enough for today. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel.